Well, this is, of course, Aynsley Cottage Garden pattern. This is an 8.25-inch dessert salad or small luncheon plate. Note the rotated rib moulding on the rims going out to this sort of delicately scalloped, very, very gentle scallop on the rim. Beautifully decorated in the bright Cottage Garden design. Just one butterfly on this dessert plate in really fine condition. There's 6 blocks of rim decoration in the floral design. Late Aynsley Cottage Garden marks, so late 20th century this piece, in absolutely mint condition. There are no knife marks on these at all. They really are in absolutely fine mint collector's condition. We've got, I think, 5 or 6 of these and 5 or 6 of the small dinner plates, the 9.25 inch, which we're about to video and show, and quite a few other pieces of decorative and usable tea and dinner ware in the Cottage Garden design come on catalogue in the last couple of weeks. So do have a browse through the website. If you follow the description link from YouTube below, take you through to the listing for this plate, and do have a browse through the website. Thanks for watching.